LQDA, stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Liquidia stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Now here's the key part here with Liquidia. As we're sitting at 681% up from yesterday, as I zoom out, but this is so good. This is like such a sick market, such a sick bullish market. In regards to this, like, I'm looking at it, yeah, sure, but like, I'm still looking to just hopefully double down, buy more, and it will only freaking matter if it, okay, yeah, this is my demand zone. And if it doesn't sort of pull down, and if it doesn't give me the confirmation, then there's just no way that I will look to buy. Like, genuinely speaking, you know, so all I'm certainly doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And here's the top. With LQDA, all I'm certainly looking in the meantime is just no receipts in the Discord. But if you want to stay tuned, you know, if you want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next